go you turn.
Alright, well what if this is the Olympics? Can this be the Olympics?
Follow me.
I'm a-following you.
Don't get in my way.
I'm not getting in your way. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my, and monkeys. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my, and monkeys.
Just follow me.
I'm following you.
And don't get in front of the teachers, but stay behind the teacher.
Oh, here comes a hill.
Scared, you can stay behind me.
If I get scared, well, I might get really, really scared. I'm scared of that big hill.
And you, like any stop?
Yeah.
If we stop from the teacher,